Trying to go over some basics here. So this is the extension cord I ran to my attic, and just for you folks, you should actually check your attic before doing any such thing, because mine had like a power point in the attic which I could have used. Still need the extension cord there, but that is was unnecessary to run it down from the second floor. And this is the, I'm using one of the cleaning tools. It's the Everbuilt cleaning tool from Home Depot. I'm not associated with the brand or anything. You can use any cleaning tool that you want. So you see, like, these rods, these extra rods kind of screw on, and you can make this thing longer if you want, and they screw in the clockwise direction. So I recommend, like, when you attach the drill to it, you turn it in the clockwise direction and not the other way around. Otherwise, like, it may open from between like these joints, and then you'll have a hard time getting the rest of the thing out of your pipes, and you may have to cut it and all that stuff. So let me attach this to my drill. Actually, I should do it. I'm just unscrewing this portion because you can attach it later on once the initial part has gone in. I didn't realize that my attic does not have that much space. So let me just get my drill ready. This is how you attach it. Make sure it goes all the way in, then tighten it. Okay, and as you see, now it's ready to clean. So clockwise direction, as you thought. Right, so it's going clockwise, and we'll start our cleaning now. The brush in front is also attached to the rod. The first brush to the first rod is also attached like clockwise. So even if there is only one rod attached, then also just go clockwise. And clockwise you go like while cleaning, and like cleaning out also clockwise. When you like pull the brush out, just be in the same direction. Okay, let's see how it goes.